Shivendra Malhotra is the trainer, facilitator, and business coach in the domain of leadership, sales, and communication. Hello, friends. You might have heard from people saying that he's a born salesman. So, while someone says like that, what he essentially means is that successful salespersons are born that way. They have required attributes which make them successful. Not only this, they also mean that these attributes are ingrained by birth and can't be learnt later on. So, this is the misconception. A misconception many people carry for successful sales professionals. They give up in that race to become a high performer in the field of sale. This is their excuse. Reality is, sales is an art and science which can be learnt like any other art or science. I would supplement this argument by giving another example of what people say about successful people. Let's take an example of another industry, say film industry. Many people would point to a top successful actor or actress and comment how lucky she is or he is. That's again not right. Many people feel that successful salespersons are successful because they are lucky. That's not right at all. People have reached with a lot of hard work and efforts where they have reached now. So you should be aware of these myths and excuses and not allow these myths to stop your growth. Let's discuss 5 more misconceptions about successful sales professionals. Second misconception is that people only buy if they naturally like you. It's not necessary that you have to be like a hero with a natural appeal to be liked by your clients. Likability can be developed. This is again an art of rapport building. Everyone can use the concept of rapport building and become a person of others' liking. So you don't have to be a person who is naturally liked by others. You can develop these key skills to be liked by others. Third misconception is that they can persuade anyone. Wrong. Nobody in this world can ever persuade 100% people. One may persuade everyone once a while and may persuade few people all the time, but no one can persuade all the people all the time. So it's a misconception. And believe me, to be successful in sales career, you don't have to persuade hard. You just need to understand if the buyer has a genuine need or not. Don't persuade too much. If you could understand the need and place your product satisfying that need, then you don't have to spend your too much energy on persuading people. So don't get trapped by this misconception that you need high persuasive skills. No, you don't. More you persuade, more the chances of you being disliked by the client. Fourth misconception is that successful salespersons are outright extrovert. People have made it sort of commandment that one has to be extrovert to be a good sales professional. No, it's wrong. There is no evidence suggesting that. Fact is that an introvert has as good a chance to succeed in sales and reach to the top position as an extrovert would have. Rather, a study led by Murray Barrick of Michigan State University has shown that there is no correlation between extroversion and sales performance. Rather, it says more extrovert people alienate prospects, and on the other hand, the modesty and humility of an introvert has higher chances of being liked and being accepted. Fifth misconception is that sales is a dishonest profession and salespeople are inherently dishonest. Again, wrong. Maybe sometimes some people in sales make wrong commitments. They under sales pressures to meet their targets. So it should not be generalized, as every profession have its own share of rotten fishes. Sales is a very good and helping profession as it helps prospects or buyers a lot. Sixth and last misconception on our list today is that one has to be a good talker to be a good sales professional. Maybe if you had said it a decade back, I would agree to this, but not today. It is well established that you have to speak less and listen more. A patient, active listener understands his prospects very well and offer them the best and the right solution. And if you speak more, you don't allow your prospect to speak, then you don't understand your prospect and you don't understand their needs. So friends, these are 6 very common misconceptions which we should be aware of. That's it for today's video. I, Shivendra Mandotra, sign off now. Join me on my next video coming very soon. If you liked my video, then do give your feedback in the comment section below, and also like and share my video, please. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.